what products, what company, what variety, like how should I include retinol into my skincare. I'm here to give you a hack. This hack is going to save you a lot of money and a lot of time as well. Hello Jennifers, you're welcome back to my space. Today I want to talk about a skincare hack that is going to save you a lot of time and a lot of money. So, have you been looking to add retinol to your skincare routine for a while now? I know there's been a fuss about retinoid this period. Note that if I say retinol, you know it's a family name. It could be Tretinoin, it could be Retinal, it could be Retinol. You know it's a family name, so I'm going to be saying retinol for the purpose of this video. So guys, if you're looking to add retinol to your skincare routine, and you know all of the retinol products out there are quite expensive, you know there's been a fuss about retinol for a while now. You know, a lot of people say if you are up to 25 and above, you should be using retinol. Retinol should be a must in your skincare. Why? Because of the anti-aging properties and the anti-aging effects that it gives to your skin. So I'm sure you will be contemplating what products, what company, what variety, like how should I include retinol into my skincare. I'm here to give you a hack. This hack is going to save you a lot of money and a lot of time as well. Okay, now the most popular retinol product that I know and I've been seeing on social media, let me just say the most popular one in Nigeria, according to what I know, is this particular one. You see this Tretinoin gel 0.5. This is the most popular one. I hope you know that there's 0.25, there's 0.5, and there's 0.1. The 0.1 being the highest concentration. I will not advise you to start with the 0.1. You can start with the 0.25 or you start with this particular one. So at some point last year, this thing was being sold for 5,000, 6,000 naira, but as of today, it's been sold for 10,000 naira up until 15,000 naira. The last time I bought this thing was 10,000 naira. That's how much I bought this Tretinoin. Okay, so for a product that is this small, a product that is this tiny, for 10,000 naira, and they say that you should include it in your skincare and is a must, meaning that you will buy this one, when it finishes you will buy another one, meaning that you have to use it continually. Okay, it's a continuous process. So for a product that is this small and it's 10,000 naira, I don't know how long this product can take you, if you can use it for a month or two, but just know that this product is very small. And for people that have big face, like if your face is big or wide, or you have a fat face or a chubby face, just know that this product will not take you for 1 month. Okay, so it depends on how you apply the product and how big your face is. So most times this product is really let me say is quite pricey for a lot of people to be able to afford. I've seen a lot of people say this product is now scarce and more expensive in the market. So what should they do? If you cannot afford this one, I'm very sure that you can't even go and buy Retinol by CeraVe, Retinol by all of these high-end brands. So today I have a hack for you. Now, for the people that can't afford this one, all you need to do is to look for a lower priced retinol product to include in your skincare. I have one. This is it. You see this face mask? It contains what this thing contains. They both contain retinol. Okay, and if you can get this face mask and be using it, definitely it will work wonders on your skin. And you know that retinol is not an ingredient that you have to be using every day, so you should use it every other day. Sometimes it is advised that people use it 3 times a week. So if you can get this one and use it 3 times a week, is going to help a great deal. How much is this sheet mask? This is a retinol face sheet mask. It's just 410 naira. Let's just say 500 naira. You can get it. So with 500 naira, you will include retinol in your skincare routine. How good is that? As in, how good is that? How sweet is that? You guys, this is the best hack I've ever seen and I've ever known. Since you cannot get your hands on this, my sister, just go and buy this one and be using it twice a week or 3 times a week. And trust me, your skin will thank you later. Just apply this. This one is also moisturizing because, you know, it's a sheet mask, and sheet masks are always moisturizing. It's just that this sheet mask has retinol as the main ingredient, so it will definitely work wonders for you. It will work wonders for you. Now, where can you get this sheet mask? You can get it in the pharmacy or skincare shops, online vendors. You can always get a retinol sheet mask. So you guys, I hope you have learned 1 or 2 from this video. Don't say, oh, I don't have so much money, I cannot use retinol. No, you can use this. This sheet mask is a lifesaver and is a go-to. I also use it. Okay, so let me know if you have tried any of this retinol here. Let me know what your results were, and let me know what your experience were. Okay, as for me, I have a great experience with this, and I have a great experience with this, and I recommend the two. Anyone you can afford, you go for it. Okay, so I'll end this video here, and you know, I'll see you in my next video. Stay glowing.